Good day, sir. I am Zigmund Brian Emote de Ramos, 18 years old, from Barangay Sorosoro, Maasin City, Southern Leyte. I'm from BSMT 1 Delta. So this is my video for the final examination. So the first question, to illustrate and explain the presence of a supernatural being using a tangible object, and uh, to relate to the scientific finding of the fine tuning of the universe. So I have here a watch. I have here a watch. So this watch is carefully designed, carefully manufactured, systematized. It has very small parts, very detailed small parts to keep it working. So even if one part is missing here inside, so the smartwatch might not work. So we can relate that to our universe. Our universe is finely tuned from the distance of the earth to the sun, and the gravity and the oxygen level. So imagine if the universe is much nearer to the sun, we might die from extreme heat. The earth might burn. And if we are further from the sun, we might freeze also because of cold temperatures. So, and also from the gravity, if it is much stronger or much slightly weaker, so the formation of the planets and the stars might not fall into place. That's why the universe is finely tuned, just like this watch. So it suggests that it has a very intelligent creator, manufacturer, because this watch is very intelligently designed from the details and specs, just like the universe is designed for life here on earth, perfectly designed for the life here on earth. So we can say, we can conclude that uh, just like this watch was a manufacturer, who was a creator, very intelligent creator, the universe also has a very intelligent creator, and that is God. So for the next question, uh, my objection for the phrase sex assigned at birth. So sex assigned at birth is not the right term. The right term for that is sex is identified at birth. Why? Doctors identify the birth of uh, an infant and the sex of an infant through its physical features, so reproductive organs. For example, when the baby is a boy, uh, it has a penis, and if it is a girl, also it has a vagina. So the doctor can identify at birth whether it is a boy or a girl. The doctor does not assign, uh, because when you say the phrase assigned at birth, it may look like you are giving an opinion, whereas sex is identified at birth is based on facts, scientific evidence. Also, you can look at the birth certificate for evidence if that is a boy or a girl. So from the physical features, the doctor can identify the sex of the infant at birth, not a sign. So that's what you mean by sex is identified at birth, not assigned. Oh, thank you, sir. That's all. Thank you very much.